Okay, now we move on to chapter titles. We need to do some formatting on the chapter titles and even the sessions. Okay, like session 1.1, 1.2, 2.1, 2.2. Okay, before we can proceed to create the table of contents, I think I have covered the session breaks and how to number the pages. So let's say this is my chapter title. I would do some things like the heading one. Okay, but this is not the right types of formatting that we want, so we need to make some changes. We need to change it back to black color. Bold, it's fine. 12 font size Times New Roman, but I must also fix the line spacing. 1.5. Okay, so now Microsoft Word automatically remember this is the formatting style of the chapter title. Then I highlight chapter 1 title, format painter, then I paint it across the chapter 2 title, literature reviews. Then you can see the same style is same formatting style is applied on the chapter 2 title. Then I do the same format painter on chapter 3, methods and data. Okay, so I'm done with this heading 1. Then for the sessions, session 1.1, 1.2, etc., I must call it heading 2. And again, Microsoft Word is not being friendly, giving us such an ugly formatting style. I must change it back to Times New Roman. Okay, 12, 1.5 spacing. Okay, then I do the same format painter. Okay, then also for chapter 2. Okay, this should be, let's say, literature review. And then this is conclusion 2.3. Okay, so this is my chapter 2. Then the same format painter on the chapter 3. Session titles 3.1 introduction, 3.2 methods, 3.3 data. Oh, there's actually a 3.4 conclusion. So let me just randomly copy this. And then below this, never stop exploring photo. Then I have 3.4 conclusion. So this is my heading 2, formatting style heading 2, which relates to the session title. Then I can even have heading 3 in connection with the subsession title. So for example, chapters 2 literature review, we can have subsession. So 2.2.1 defining key concepts. 2.2.2 core theories. Okay. 2.2.3 review of past empirical studies so that we can identify the research gaps that our research study aims to fill. So this is subsession. I would give formatting style. The name is number 3, but again, I don't like this suggestion by Microsoft Word. I will change it to black color. I don't bold this time. Font size 12 Times New Roman. I want to underline the subsession title and then I must fix the line spacing 1.5. Okay, then I once again apply the format painter. Okay, so now I have heading 1, which stands for the chapter title. Heading 2, which relates to heading 1 relates to chapter title. Heading 2 relating to the session title. And then heading 3 in connection with the subsession title. So I will make sure chapter title, session, and subsession titles would all appear in the table of contents. So now I'm going to tell Microsoft Word to, is it reference? Yes, it's here. Reference table of contents. So this one? Yes, okay. Table of contents, what's going on here? Oopsie. I think I need to. Okay, let me do it from scratch. Okay. Okay. Reference the table of contents. This one. Okay, yeah, it appears on the right page now. Okay. Okay, so this is how it works. But again, I need to do some plastic surgeries because the table of contents must also have Times New Roman, font size 12, 1.5 spacing. Okay, I don't need this word contents because I already have the table of contents over there, so I can make this white color, then it is not visible. Then you might wonder, what if I insert chapter 4? Then what's going to happen to the table of contents? So what we need to do is that we just need to update that. Okay, so maybe I can give you an example. Maybe here, chapter 3, then let's say insert page break. Then on page 5, I would have a new chapter, chapter 4, empirical findings. Okay, so maybe 4.1 introduction, 4.2 would be the empirical findings. Maybe I should even have 4.3 conclusion. And then let's say for the empirical findings, I insert table 3 and figure 3. So just to refresh what you learned in the previous video, reference, insert caption, table 3, maybe it could be like, let's say this is a labor economics topic, mean monthly earnings by gender. Then I can randomly put some figures. Okay, I just want to make sure it, yeah, okay, chapter 4, okay. And then again, Times New Roman 12 font size. So male, female, mean, rand, 3,500, let's say 4,000, okay, for example. Times New Romans 12. Okay, and then I insert a figure, okay, reference, caption, figure 3. Figure 3, let's say this is a line chart of real GDP annual growth rate between 1990 and 2019. Okay, can you pretend there is a figure inserted actually? Because I don't have this figure at the moment. Okay. Okay, so now the last thing, oh, and also this format painter, it must be Times New Romans. Can I also adjust the line spacing? Must be 1.5. Okay, so the last thing I have to do is to update the table of contents, even the list of tables and list of figures. So I click anywhere here, right click, update field, or you can even click the update table. Okay, I think update the entire table, not just the page number, because remember we have added chapter 4. Okay, so update entire table. So do you see the change here? Chapter 4 is added, but again, it seems this option destroyed the beautiful formatting. I must change it back to Times New Romans 12. Okay, and then similar list of tables. Right click anywhere here, update fields, update the entire tables. Then you see table 3 added again. Okay, the beautiful formatting is destroyed. Okay, so this is just a little bit irritating, but it wouldn't take too much time to fix the line spacing and font size. And then similarly for the last one, list of figures, right click, update field, update entire table. Okay, same thing happened. But it doesn't matter, it wouldn't take 30 seconds to perform the so-called plastic surgeries. Okay. Okay. So I think you should be happy with that, because immersion you need to manually type the table of contents. It will be a nightmare for you. I think it is a waste of time actually. So it's better make use of these tools available on Microsoft Word. Okay. Providing you first understand the insert caption skills for the table number and figure number, and also these formatting, okay, for the chapter title, section title, and subsection title. Okay, so that's the end of this video. Then we have one last topic to go, which is on running regressions on Starter and how can we save the regression table as a Microsoft Word table document. So I will see you in the next video.